Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to measure distance between two cities on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it, and after that, long press at any point where you want to start your measurement. For example, I will click here, and after that, swipe up a little bit. And as you can see, there is this option of measure distance. Click on it. And after that, choose any point where do you want to do the measurement. For example, I will do it here on my place. And when you arrive to that point, as you can see, it will give you on the bottom left of the screen the distance between the 2 points. And you can, of course, add multiple points. So, for example, I can add this at the first point. And after that, I will click on the plus. After that, I will move again and put another point, third, fourth, and you can add as much as you want of point, and it will measure the distance between them. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in